There's our fish. I'll give it 15 seconds.
Yeah, nice one, Bob.
Here it comes. Get ready. Can't leave it. Oh, there it is. It's still, no, you're just hitting bottom. Reel it in 5 feet. You hit the rock ledge. He might still be following it though. I couldn't tell if that was a hit or a fish.
I think it was a hit. I think it was a hit. The first one was the bottom, then it was a hit.
First fish on. It took what, 10 seconds over the good spot, an instant fish.
You called it.
This spot always has a nice gag on it. You got a barge right there in the background.
Oh yeah.
I'll start slowing it down for you. You got him away from that rock. You did good. That must not be a very big one. All right, I'm gonna go in neutral. And there's you and the fish now. It's a good size one if he still feels heavy. He isn't surface, so usually if they don't surface,
That's a good one.
let's just hope this is a keeper. Did he feel big when he grabbed it?
Yeah.
Were you holding the rod when he hit it?
Yep.
That's always fun.
You were shaking it.
Yeah, you were trying to get the grass off and one smacked it. Make sure you net violently and go for the head first. You know, if you go too slow, the hooks will get caught in the net. That's a keeper. Nice fish.
Woo! Ooh.
It's a fish? Oh, that's a big fish. And what's funny is we're not even near the rock yet. Looks like a smaller one.
Yeah,
he's still kicking?
Yeah.
At least it's definitely a fish.
Roll.
You can crank him in?
At least act like it's bigger.
Skiing grouper. Isn't it crazy how hard they hit it and they're that small?
I know. Actually, B, just pull them in. Just pull them in.
Little guy, be careful of those plugs. I'm better off throwing them on the floor probably. Little guy. Another 10 seconds and a pile of fish. Come on, they're gonna get crushed. That spot is loaded with fish. Come on, somebody hit it. The
Easy,
big one
easy.
earlier.
Please
Yeah.
slow her down real while we go down, slow her down.
Just tighten the drag, tighten the drag. Tighten it just a hair, that's good, right there, that's plenty. Just keep it tight. That's good. He's got another keeper though. Good job.
Think it is?
Yeah, keep cranking him in. That's a beast.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, he's still fighting. That's definitely a big fish. There he is. No, it's not a big one though.
It's pretty close.
It's not big at all. He was out there a mile. That's only a 23 incher.
Oh, I don't know. It's gonna be close. I think it is.
Nice.
You getting Brandon or no?
You got it, Dad. No, you got it. You got it. You got it.
That looks like a heavy fish.
You got it.
Do we need to get the other ones in?
Yeah.
No, that one's not as far out.
Yeah, so yeah, it's not good.
We got some head shaking.
Yeah, a little bit.
Nice.
You don't have to slow it down too much. Keep it rolling.
Yeah, I got a 3. That's a big one. Big fish. That's a stud. Nice.
Oh, he's got some head shake.
He's got a big one.
Yeah, this one ain't shit.
I don't know what we just, and it's funny, it was right after I drove her, I said this is a good spot.
That's me.
No, he's got a monster. His fish is barely budging. He got some weight to that one, right?
Yep.
Oh, look at the head. Yeah, I see the head thumping.
I think it's the lure.
No, he's got a big
No,
one.
I'm just kidding.
Brandon's finally got a keeper.
You picked up this
Yeah,
other?
I got I got just on top of it. Is that all?
That's a good sized fish. I flip him in. Do you want the net?
Oh man, we might want to net it.
Well, I want to net his fish.
This is a good fish.
Oh, I don't want to be stuck. Oh, look at this one though. He's
got him in.
No, look at the size of this one. That's a big one.
Oh, big.
That's a big one. Yeah, that's a 26.
Get him, Katie.
There we go.
There we go.
That's a big one.
That'll work.
Damn. that was a little more work than the last one.
That's a good fish, man. That's a 27. And that one might be 24. Watch your fingers. Oh, he came back for it.
Get it.
Is he still running? Get that fish out. That's a giant.
Yeah, I know, but hold on, I got it. It's stuck now.
That is a giant. It's stuck on the end?
It's stuck on the end.
Then reel some in. Dude, that's a 30 plus. That's a stud right there. Well, we found the honey hole, didn't we?
Is he on?
Yeah, but I got to try to gain on him a little bit. I haven't.
Yeah, get some lines.
Problem with the other day.
No, it's all the way out.
It's at the end of the line.
Oh, it is?
Yeah,
where it hit that
remember
knot.
Oh yeah.
You got an absolute monster.
Help push?
No, I'm easing. All the line out, all the way to the end. Just keep it tight, Garrett. Yep. I just put that out. I mean, just put it back in the hole.
Well, you put it out there a ways.
I only put it out 6.5 bars.
And again, that's what I was going to say, you weren't deep.
And it was literally right after we drove over those rocks I got hammered. I guess we're gonna have to keep passing over the spot. That's 3 keepers.
Yeah.
And we're not even marking good bottom. That's what's amazing, is like the bottom is just like maybe 6 inches of rocks.
Tell you what, if I'd have left that in the holder for another second, he'd have busted it.
Look at the size of that fish. That is a huge grouper. He's not putting up a fight because he's just getting dragged at this point. He put up all of his fight at the beginning.
The boat's not moving now, Gary, so you...
Yeah, it's just you. It's just you and him. I'm trying to keep it real slow for you so we don't lose them. Sometimes you go too fast, you'll pull the hooks out of them. Look at that pile of fish right there.
Oh yeah.
We're definitely going over a good area now.
Keep the rod in the same spot.
That's another stud.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that's over 30 inches. That's well over 30.
Get the net in the water, B. No, go
Head first. Head first. No, never tail first. Head first and aggressive. You got head hard and aggressive. Go around them. There you go.
Wow, gosh.
That is a giant.
You monster.
That's a giant grouper.
I knew when he got picked it up, he was a big one.
Let's hope for a snapper. What you got?
Getting bigger.
Little mangrove? Oh, that's a baby grouper.
Yep.
That's 1 of 50.
Hey.
We'll get a ton of those little guys. Baby gag. But you catch 500 fish on that setup. And then how he has his setup off the back, that's usually how I catch the bigger ones on the jig head.
Yeah.
This catches more, that catches the bigger ones, and then these big baits will catch the big ones when they start feeding.
What's on that one?
That's just a bigger threadfin. Usually threadfin get the bigger fish.
Oh, there you go.
You got one hit it?
Yeah, he was just hitting it though.
Huh. Yep, you're right. That is a fish. I would take your pinfish off, put one of those down. That's not a keeper, it's a small one.
Yeah.
It's a little bit bigger though. That's what we're looking.
Pretty good size.
Yeah, but you catch, I'm telling you, catch 30 of these. Every drop, there's one down there waiting for it.
Is that right?
Yep.
What'd you have on that one?
Threadfin. He was just letting line out too. That's a good fish for a little rod.
There you go, that's just fun right there.
Yeah, so you catch 30 of those. That's what I love to do. He's doing the setup that I do with a jig head. To me, that's the fun way to do it.
Oh yeah.
Nice little grouper. That's a good size one.
That's a nice one. Man, that had to be fun on that little...
They hit hard.
This thing was getting a little loose on me.
Oh, there's one. That's a grouper. Get him up. That's a keeper.
Oh yeah. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up.
He already lost. Yep. Yeah, this might be a keeper.
That's right up front. Yeah.
That's a 22. That's a good fish. A little bit bigger. Not quite as big as I wanted.
Not big enough.
Damn.
Well, you know there's a pile of them down there now.
Yeah.
That's a nice fish. Look at that one.
Shit, yeah, that's a nice fish.
He's not going to hit 24. That's
Yeah.
21, 22 maybe. All right, well, we caught, what, 5 or...
Yeah, I know I need to. I didn't check it.
So that one's a little bigger than your last one? Just make sure he's out of that rock. Grab.
There you go.
Yeah, you lost. Tighten the drag. There you go.
That
Get him up.
drag was tight.
Reel.
He loosened it up.
Reel. This is a keeper. Reel.
I'm trying to reel.
Reel. Your rod is too high. I told you, keep the rod to the water. You can't just lift the rod above your head and hope for the best.
Oh, I might be a good one.
No, he's too short. Good practice for him though.
That drag, I mean, not all the way tight.
You lose all power when you lift the rod up here.
Really?
You got to keep the rod low,
Okay.
and you got to crank.
Okay.
Because once the rod's behind your head, what are you gonna do? You can't lift
I see
anymore.
what you're saying.
All your power is in your bottom right here.
Okay.
This is another 21, 22, 3 inches bigger, and then they put up a whole different battle. That's a big fish. Get him away from that rock.
I'm trying to. I don't think I've lost. He's still on there.
Loosen the pressure. You're gonna break the line. Yeah, I think he's got a keeper. That's a 24. You can tell by the weight of him. He's a little heavier than the last two. Just don't reel that thing into the. You did it again.
There he is.
That's a keeper.
Want to get a net?
Oh shit, that's nice.
No, I need a net.
Hold on. Oh, you got it. Oh, wow, that's definitely a nice fat fish.
Yeah.
You good, Garrett?
I'll do this one.
Screw redfish.
Damn, that's a freaking nice fish.
That's a nice fish.
There you go.
That's a good fish. Nick, tighten the drag. Hold the handle. Hold it. Just hold the spool if you lose any line. There you go.
Nice.
Yeah, next drop you want to tighten the a little bit. You stopped them though. You did good. Yeah, not quite a keeper. I didn't hear you grunt. He's a, oh, and it's a keeper. Oh, it's a 23 and a half.
Nice one, man.
Yeah, it is.
He is the shrimp, right?
That was a shrimp.
Yeah, they love shrimp. I don't video, you get a snapper. Nice snapper.
Nice keeper.
Yeah. Good eating fish right there.
Yeah.
Spit my shrimp out there.
That's why we use shrimp, is to catch those snapper. That's a red. Nice redfish.
There we go.
Told you we'd catch some. I'd rather see some.
Really?
You got a fish under the boat?
You got one?
Yeah, I got one.
He's got a bigger fish. Is that a red or a drum? Putting up a good fight. Do you need the net?
Maybe. That's a nice fish, whatever it is.
Oh, all right, here's the net.
Or a
big-
drum. That's a drum, I guess.
Oh, it is a drum, yep. Nice. That's a good fish for the cooler.
Oh, yeah. Is that a good
Damn,
fish?
dude.
Oh, yeah, that's a bigger red.
Yeah.
That might be. I think it is a keeper.
Nice.
Yeah, this is definitely a keeper redfish. Yeah.
That's not a red.
What is it? Flip him in.
It's a trout.
Trout.
Oh, big trout. Nice.
Keeper too.
That's another keeper. Look at all these fish. Put them in the boat. That's a good fish. That's a fighter. That's a keeper red. What the hell?
Red, eh?
Oh yeah.
That's another keeper.
Is it?
Yeah. That'll hit 18.
Go.
I think he hits 18.
You'll be close. Pretty color.
That's a copper red one.
Damn,
Got a-
whatever that is freaking nice.
You got a red?
Yes.
You got one?
Yeah, you got something nice on. Give me that net.
Big red. Dude,
Give me the net.
nice.
Hold on.
You guys.
God!